Good morning kids. Today again we will learn long sound words of letter U. Okay. This is your phonics skill book. You have to open this and open page number 22. Okay. Now we will read long U sound. B-L-U-E blue. B-L-U-E blue. C-U-B-E cube. C-U-B-E cube. F-L-U-T-E flute. F-L-U-T-E flute. G-L-U-E glue. G-L-U-E glue. H-U-G-E huge. H-U-G-E huge. J-U-N-E June. J-U-N-E June. J-U-I-C-E juice. J-U-I-C-E juice. R-U-L-E-R ruler. R-U-L-E-R ruler. R-U-L-E rule. R-U-L-E rule. S-U-I-T suit. S-U-I-T suit. S-O-U-P soup. S-O-U-P soup. T-U-B-E tube. T-U-B-E tube. T-U-L-I-P tulip. T-U-L-I-P tube. T-U-N-E tune. T-U-N-E tune. U-S-E use. U-S-E use. U-N-I-C-O-R-N uni, C-O-R-N corn. Unicorn. U-N-I-C-Y-C-L-E unicycle. Unicycle. U-N-I-F-O-R-M uniform. Uniform. Okay, now we will learn this exercise. What it says? Say the name of picture. Say the name of each picture aloud. We have to read it aloud. Circle the picture of the words that match the long vowel sound in each row. Okay, this is the one particular row. Okay, now kids, we had learned that long vowel sound is the name of the letter sound. Okay, like A is the long sound words of letter A. So we will read this. First is cake. C-A-K-E, cake. So it's related to long A sound. So we will circle this. Okay. Now next is bat. A. It's related to short sounds. So we will not circle this. Now next is plane. So it's related to long A. So we will circle this. And next is hat. Hat. So it's belong to short A letter. Okay. Rest of these vowels you have to do by your own and you have to send it to me.